Hello everyone, my name is Ranveer Singh. Today I'll be discussing about the weekly test 3 assignment that was given to us. I'll just move forward with showing what the assignment was about. Hope my screen is visible. So as you can see, this was the assignment that was given to us, that is weekly test 3 assignment. And the task is given in the Google Docs. So what we have to design is we have to design a UI that has a product section on the left hand side. Just a minute. Yeah, so on the left hand side we have products tab and product section, and on the right hand side we have card section. The problem statement of the assignment is to create a component with two boxes side by side as shown in the picture, like the left box having product section and the right box having the card section. And Yeah, so I'll just move ahead and I'll just show my project, what I have designed. So this is the folder. I've kept JS Weekly Test 3, the name of the folder. And as I open, we have three file, index HTML, JavaScript file, and the style file, like the CSS styles file. So I'll just open my live server. And this is the UI that I have designed. The left side of the section has product section and the right side has the card section. And project says that if we the product 1, 2, 3, 4 are the name of the product, and if we click plus or minus, it should add and subtract the product from the cart. So if I'm putting plus, that is addition, so it added the product 1 in the cart. So you can see the quantity is 1 into 100 is the price of the this product. And similarly, if we go on and try adding product 2, 3, and 4 twice. So like this, product 1 has one quantity, 2, 3 has one quantity, and product 4 has two quantity, that is of cost 400. So after all the this simplification and summation of all the prices, it shows the total price of rupees 1400. So this is the assignment that we were supposed to design. And let's move ahead and discuss the code. So this is the coding part of the assignment, and we have three file, as I already discussed earlier. So in the HTML file, we are just making the structure of the project, or rather the structure of the website, web page rather. And we have two sections, mainly as for a product section, and the second one is for a card section. So in the product section, we have h1 tag as product, and we have products like uh, this four products things that we will put styles on it in the styles sheet, that is the CSS sheet. So, and for the card part, we have card section, and here the total price is there, and it is rupees. So initially it is 00. As we can see, if I subtract everything from here, so it comes 0. So initially it shows 0, and the total price is this. And we also have a cart heading tag given to that. So yeah, and then going to styles.css. So we have a wrapper class that binds all the uh, div sections of the code in HTML. So here the wrapper class which binds all the div sections. So I've put a flex on it so that these two sections come in the row, as the flex direction of display flex is initially like default, as default it is set to row, So it puts both the element, product and cart in row wise. And yeah, so moving forward, we have product container. So this product container we have four containers, one, two, three, four. So also I'm putting display flex so that it comes together. And since the direction is column wise, one, two, three, and four. So I have put direction column, flex direction column, and then gap according to them, like gap between these four elements will be point 5 rem. So that is there. I've kept a border 2 pixel solid gray border around this, and the padding is 1.1 rem. And also for the cart as well, I've put the padding. This padding will be there. So I'll just inspect this and I'll just show it. Yeah. So here you can see, yeah, the padding is 1 rem on both the sections, and border is 2 pixel solid gray. Gap between the two sections, like the product section and the card section, I've kept the same zero point 0.5 rem. Display column, because both the elements of individual product section and the cart section have column wise this thing, like they are displayed column wise. So I've just put the flex direction column so that this all things comes in column, not in row. If I have kept as flex direction row, so this total price will come just beside cart. And if I put obviously the flex direction column for this as well, the product section as well. So this thing, the product 1, 2, 3, and 4, this will come side by side, not column wise. So that is why I've kept flex direction as column. Okay. So and yeah, so this is the action is this one. So what action I'm doing, so that is also there is a style for that as well. I've kept some style according to the assignment that was there, and I've tried to make the UI almost as same as what was there. So as you can see, this is the UI that is there and that was assigned to us, and what I have created is this one. So it's almost the same. And yeah, and when we discuss about the JavaScript section, so in the JavaScript section, so the first 4 lines, rather the first 5 lines are like for inventory, like for the product section, like product 1 has a price 100, quantity 0. Initially it is 0, so I have put 0. Product 2, 3, 4, and 5, their prices and the quantity. So in this inventory contains products with their name, price, and quantity. And this thing, like let cart inventory equals bracket. So this means the cart inventory stores the product that are added to the cart. So that is filtered from the inventory. And then the next 4 lines, like this lines, this these are like selecting DOM elements. So the first line, let product div equals document dot query select. So the query selected, and then in the bracket I've kept products. So that displays all the available products that are there. The second line, cart item container, displays selected item in the cart. And the third and the fourth line displays the total cost of the selected item. Then moving ahead, I have a display all product section that basically it looks through inventory and creates UI elements for each of the products. And so basically, like each product has a name, price, and action section containing this increase quantity and decrease quantity. And the click event listener, like plus and minus button calling the action function, like if the action button has plus, minus, and plus. So if I click minus and if I click plus, respectively, it creates an action that is adding and subtracting the product. So yeah, and then we have this thing, the function action. So what basically it does is, if the sign is plus, so if I'm clicking plus, it makes the object quantity plus, like it increases the object quantity, and vice versa for minus as well. If I click minus, it decreases the quantity of the product, and it updates the UI, like yeah. So it updates the UI and update the count as well. Like we have count dot inner text equals object dot quantity. So object dot quantity. Yeah. So it updates the UI, that is counts dot inner text. Okay. So and what else? This is this thing. This just filters product from the inventory where quantity is greater than zero. So and updates the cart's inventory. That is only there. And moving on with the function, this thing, function display cart, this thing. So it basically loops through the cart in inventory and creates UI element for each of the selected product, and it display the product name and the total cost. So like we have this thing, uh, this one. Yeah. So this line, like it displays the product quantity, like how much quantity we have selected, and into like multiplication of the price. So it basically shows that. So this thing, this all things are there. So yeah, this is my project the rather the assignment that I have done, and hope the UI of the project is almost same as what was expected to do.